डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेज एट लंच। लंच में बोले जाने वाले इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेज। इट्स लंच टाइम। आई एम रियली हंग्री। व्हाट्स फॉर लंच टुडे? लंच smells delicious. Let's set the table. Please pass the plates. Wash your hands before lunch. The food looks amazing. I cannot wait to eat. Let's sit together for lunch. Please serve some rice. I will take some dal. Do you want roti or rice? I will have one more roti. Pass me the curry, please. The curry tastes perfect. Add a little salt. The food is a bit spicy. It is too salty. The vegetables are tasty. I love this sabji. Would you like some pickle? Don't forget the salad. The salad is so fresh. Add some lemon juice. Please give me a spoon. I like eating with my hands. The chapati is soft. The rice is perfectly cooked. The aroma is amazing. Have some more curry. Don't overeat. Eat slowly and enjoy. Would you like some curd? The curd is very cool. Mix the rice with dal. The food is very light. Drink some water. Try this new dish. The taste is awesome. I like homemade food. Lunch is my favorite meal. The food is too hot. Blow on it before eating. I need a napkin. Don't spill the food. Let's share the dish. Let us share the dish. Have a bite of this. Do you want some extra rice? I am almost full. That was a satisfying lunch. Everything was delicious. I loved the taste. You cooked very well. Let's eat dessert now. What's for dessert? I will have some ice cream. The sweet is yummy. Drink some buttermilk. I feel sleepy after lunch. Let's take a short rest. Don't waste food. Let's clean the table. I will wash the dishes. That was a perfect meal. That was a perfect meal. Lunch makes me happy. I am thankful for the food. Let's eat together every day. The lunch break is almost over. Time to get back to work. तो दोस्तों ऐसी ही वीडियो के लिए फॉर दिस टाइप ऑफ वीडियो यू कैन फॉलो मी ऑन फेसबुक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल ज्ञान राजेश. बाय बाय.